Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a board in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this, where now you just need to go and register or log into your profile if you already have an account. But now guys, let's see how you can, what you actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have some of your work. So in the top left corner, we have the home screen, your work, your favorites. We have the search bar, new tasks, and we have the add new groups. And here you can do everything about your tasks. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a board in monday.com. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, what you need to do is to add a new board. Click on the plus add button on the left pan on your screen and then select new board. So basically you just need to go and click new board to get a new board. Now when you click there, when you have your new board, from the same menu you can also choose to import a new board from Excel or Google Sheets, Trello, and more. Of course, the options are a lot. Or you can choose a pre-prepared template on the website. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.